I truly salute on they welcome for football in Pidgin. After match, talk how you see them. I beg if you know so you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, don't forget to press that subscribe button and turn on the notification button. Liverpool 7 and Manchester United 0. And we get my guy here, we be like saying Ogbonge person and Ogbonge football lover make tell us about how you see this game. Him, they come with dancing. Why your body they sweet you? I bet tell country people why your body they sweet you, why you they dance?
But this sweet me today. Despite the game, I be Chelsea fan. To be honest, I be Chelsea fan. Forget say we dey lose, but today match, God, e sweet me die because I not believe say Liverpool go win Man U, win carry trophy 7-0 when the thing never happen once on visual, but it happen today. No nah, it shocked me. I was surprised. I was filled with the Holy Ghost. Hello, I said I was filled with the Holy Ghost. Today, the match, the Macron go cut to. They ring this one election. They ringer for Man U live. They ringer live because when Tinubu they campaign, Chelsea they lose. Now Tinubu win election, Chelsea first match and winner. Nah. See Peter Obi say he go carry the matter go court. Man, you can't court. Say I neck alpha. They want see that. They want settle the matter. And they say where you shift. Now he ring the election. He come with 7 evidence. 7 evidence. Just imagine 7-0. Today Sunday. Man, you.
So
finish.
The way you take the talk like this, be like say, man, you people don't show you something this period where be like say Chelsea not they perform well. But for this match now, with this performance, which player you go point say now be your man of the match? With what you see what Liverpool do today?
Bros, everybody when they Liverpool now man of the match because they play the game with so much joy, excitement, cooperation. Oh God, I beg, Liverpool they play ball. In fact, that they get. Man not say the league, but they will qualify for Champions League. That's all.
So what do you get to tell Man U fans because you say you be Chelsea fan? What do you get to tell Man U fans now after their team lose like this?
What I want to tell them be that say they laugh when we blue, but they forget what Tinubu tell them. Say a town hall is different from Bala Blue. Blue Bulaba. I just want to be polite.
So that one, your church mind. Now you tell them they tell themselves because if you want to go for a say you go for a pass like that.
Yes, now because when Tinubu talk, I say if you want this government to change, let us be polite, but they should know this thing. Shut up your mouth. That's it. So I want to tell my youth fans say, shut up your mouth. And a town hall is different from Bala Blue. The London's Bridge is falling. Doesn't mean Old Trafford will not fall. That's it.
So for this match, not be Old Trafford they plan for Anfield now.
Anfield and Old Trafford. They don't win Man U, they don't win Man U. Sure? Which will be Anfield, which will be Old Trafford.
So you know when we start the interview, you know tell area your name. Tell country people your name, may they know you.
Country people, my name is Victor Pia. I'm Kiddy Keze.
Yeah, more end up for there. But before I let you go, Chelsea go play Borussia Dortmund on Tuesday. You understand? You first shout AWO first. You understand? Wait till you they predict for that match because now so you know pack again Man U fans. They're gonna wait you too. Wait till you they predict for that game.
That match, man, like you, my last work. If you're not Saka coach, if you're not Saka, Chelsea go take loan. Go take loan because all the players where they don't sign, I believe say Chelsea go do bankrupt very soon. Chelsea, but Dortmund that match, I believe say my club, Fiado will draw. Or we play 1-0, we play extra time.
When I play draw, I don't go ask now. I don't come out now.
That 1-0 they win us now.
That 1-0 they win now.
I believe.
You say when I go draw now, maybe 0-0 draw 1-1.
No. I believe Chelsea for home. You know if you draw 0-0, Kaka, Umbano, then can never.
So
when my Enzo did there, paracetamol, go cure our headache now. He did there, go cure our headache. Modric did there. Not be advertisement to Avato. No, come on that one. Now Fafana one more when they use Fafana. That coach. No Barca and I go to Barca. Forget say na England man. I be Nigeria boy. I get levels pass if I be coach. Or structure Chelsea well. strategize the team, position each player well. Sure, if I put Modric here, if I put Ziyech here, put 1 or 2 for the middle, put Kovacic, use Fafana, that's the side for Cameroon for the attack. This coach no get sense.
Ivory Coast boy, no be
Ivory Coast boy, sorry. Ivory Coast boy.
Because all of them still join. All of them.
That coach. May they just sack. I don't let it done at the wait
May the
for.
coach bye.
B-Y-E. Bye. Fine. That's it.
All right, now, go up here. Thank you. The people now, lawyer boy, of course, we didn't lawyer like lawyer me. I say make I thank you as you take watch this our content, but make you don't forget to show us love. Press that subscribe button, like our content, and make you share it with your friends and family. And also, the way you go take follow us for the different social media platforms, they for the description for inside this video.